birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ronnie. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray!
So I am at Temple Springs. I teach here, and today they're doing a charity thing where they're giving cakes out to the community.
Why do I think of you in colors orange, yellow, blue? I can't get you off my mind. Red as blood, warm as sun, such good loving just begun. Rainbow lover, I want you. Like the yellow of the sun makes the grass grow green and strong, and the pale blue of the sky, red hot love that makes me high, high, so high. Rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green. We journey through the ocean.
All vegan.
The young people here are giving out cakes for the people here in Essex, and I'm about to go and teach a singing lesson now.
Rain makes healthy grass.
It's my birthday and I am at the gig at the Welcome Collection in King's Cross, Euston. For the past 15 years I've been working with Heart and Soul Disability Project in Deptford. They support people with disabilities. They do music. So this evening Lizzie had an EP launch and she performed, and also we performed with her as well. So I played guitar for the first time, accompanying Lizzie for the first time, and we're going to be doing more gigs in the future. I also support Lizzie as a vocal tutor, as well as now we work together as a trio, myself and Grace Savis. And I am about to go on stage with the lovely, lovely Lizzie. She's coming up now. Here she is. And we are going to be singing together.
Can we turn back?
No turning back.
Why?
This is it. We're going to go on stage and sing. Me and Lizzie Emma from Heart and Soul. I'm still here at the Welcome in Euston after my gig with Heart and Soul and Lizzie Emma. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, if you like my vegan recipes, don't forget to subscribe and share. And I'll see you next time with more vegan food and adventures.